Everyone, we're just in Chelsea's at the moment, just about to start getting all the marble and all the fires upstairs. I'm going to switch this around just to show you how she's doing the electrics. As you can see, the electrician has come in. He's put the power points accessible where they're going to be behind the TV, and then he has dropped his wires down here behind the plasterboard where we are going to hardwire the fire. So it's just on these two fuse switches up here, which are just standard 13 on. So we are just getting out of Chelcee Grimes, and she's just moved into the tobacco warehouse. New apartments, luxury apartments on the seafront, the waterfront and Liverpool docks, and we've just installed the titanium Galaxy Lazio 2000. It is unreal, and these settings, this is only the reception, and then we are blown away. Chelsea loves it. Big thanks to her and her mum, especially for our refreshments at the end. But yeah, what an install. Can't wait to come back and see the floor and what she told us and showed us what she's got in place is going to just take this room to absolute levels above. Can't wait. Coming back to you.